Prepositions made simple. A beginner's guide. A preposition is a word which describes the relationship between an object and another word, object or element in the sentence. There are over 100 prepositions, but we don't use all of them frequently. Let's see an example. The ball is on the box. The ball is behind the box. The ball is next to the box. The ball is above the box. The ball is under the box. The ball is in the box. Let's see a few examples so you can understand what a preposition actually is and how they are used in real sentences. The bird is flying across the sky. The preposition across connects the verb fly and the noun the sky. It tells us where the bird flew. The food is on the plate. The preposition on connects the noun food and the noun plate. It tells us where the food is in relation to the plate. The convict is in jail. The preposition in connects the noun convict and the noun jail. It tells us where the convict is in relation to the jail. Prepositions are necessary as they provide additional details. They explain the time, space, or logical relationship between other parts of the sentence. This information is often vital. Let's take a look at another example. The spare key is in the kitchen. It's on top of the cupboard next to the kettle. As you can see from the picture, they are vital in some situations, especially for giving instructions. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more grammar lessons.